So hello friends, today I am making a crispy Indian snack, a kachori using fresh pigeon pea beans. Yeah, these beans are taken out of fresh green pigeon pea pods. They are very tender, slightly sweet and have a beautiful flavor. This ingredient is commonly used in traditional Indian home cooking but rarely seen in a snack recipes like a kachori. So, the result of this kachori is that it is very crispy on the outside and full of fresh aromatic flavors inside. Simple, traditional and really delicious. So let's start our recipe. So, the first step of making a kachori is dough preparation. So, for the dough, I am going to take equal quantities of whole wheat flour and all purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Then I will add some salt to taste and carom seeds to the dry flour and mix well. Then I will heat oil until it's very hot, then carefully pour the hot oil into the flour. Then mix it thoroughly so the oil coats the flour evenly. Then this will help to make the kachori very crispy. Now I will add water little by little and knead to form a firm dough. It is important that the dough is firm and not very loose. Then let the dough sit for about 10 to 15 minutes for shaping the kachori. Now the dough preparation is done. Let's move on to the stuffing part. So to prepare the stuffing, I am going to heat oil in a pan and then add cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds starts to crackle, I am going to add a pinch of hing and followed by fennel seeds. Now I am going to add whole green chilies and saute briefly to release their aroma. Now let's add the fresh pigeon pea beans along with salt. I will saute and shallow fry these beans on a medium heat, stirring it occasionally until they become tender and lightly golden. Turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool slightly. Then I am going to transfer it to a mixer and grind it lightly, keeping the texture coarse and not smooth. After grinding, add fresh coriander leaves and mix well. The stuffing is now ready to be filled into the kachori. Now, the dough preparation and the stuffing has been done. So this dough has been rested for 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's divide this dough into equal size portions and roll them into small balls. Using a rolling board and a rolling pin, gently flatten each dough ball into a small disc. Place a portion of the prepared pigeon pea bean stuffing in the center of each disc. Bring the edges together, seal it well, and gently flatten again using the rolling board and rolling pin, keeping the kachori slightly thick. You can observe the thickness of the kachori right here. Then I am going to heat oil for frying on a medium-low heat. It is important not to raise the temperature too much and have a medium-low heat. Carefully slide the kachori into the oil and then fry slowly on a medium-low heat and turn it occasionally until the color becomes golden brown and crisp on the both sides. Frying on the lower heat ensures that the kachori cooks evenly and becomes perfectly crispy. Now both of the kachoris are golden brown, so I can take them out. So there you have it, golden brown and crisp kachoris are ready. The fresh pigeon pea bean filling makes this kachori very light, aromatic and really satisfying. Simple ingredients, traditional techniques, and so much taste. So friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, try it at home and let me know how it turned out. And I will see you soon in the next Indian recipe.